Imagine having the power to say exactly the right words to make a woman think about you long after the conversation ends. Sounds magical, doesn't it? Well, here's the secret. Understanding the types of compliments that truly touch a woman's heart isn't as complicated as you might think. In fact, the compliments women often crave the most are the ones they never ask for. In this video, I'm sharing 5 incredible compliments that aren't your average cliches. They're profound, striking, and they just might change the way she sees you forever. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to genuine connection? Then stick around. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a video about mastering relationships, confidence, and connection. Now, let's get started. 1. Pay attention to the small details. Let's start with a powerful truth. The key to a great compliment lies in the details. Women love when someone notices the small, thoughtful touches they put into their appearance. Did she get a new haircut? Say something like, "Your new hairstyle looks amazing. It really suits you." Notice a different lipstick shade? Try, "That color really brings out your smile." Is she wearing a carefully chosen outfit? Compliment her with, "That outfit looks perfect on you. It really highlights your style." Why does this work? Because it shows that you're paying attention, not just to her beauty, but to the effort she puts into presenting herself. Compliments like these create an instant connection because they make her feel noticed, valued, and special. 2. Highlight her personality. If you want to stand out, go beyond the surface. Compliment her personality. This says, "I see the real you, and I love what I see." If she stays calm under pressure, tell her, "I admire how composed you are in tough situations. It's inspiring." If she's dedicated, say, "Your determination is incredible. I can tell you put your heart into everything you do." Appreciate her sense of humor with, "You always make things so fun. Being around you brightens my day." Why does this work? Most guys stick to superficial compliments. But when you acknowledge her character and inner qualities, you create a deeper emotional connection. She'll feel valued for who she truly is, not just how she looks. 3. Acknowledge her behaviors. Actions speak louder than words, right? That's why complimenting her behaviors and habits can be incredibly meaningful. If she's kind, say, "Your kindness is so rare. It's amazing how thoughtful you are toward others." If she brings positive energy, tell her, "I love how your attitude lights up the room. You make everyone feel good." If she's courageous, acknowledge it with, "Your bravery is inspiring. I admire how you tackle challenges head-on." Why is this so powerful? Because these compliments go deeper than appearances. They show that you respect her choices, values, and the way she lives her life. 4. Compliment her passions and interests. One of the quickest ways to a woman's heart is by showing genuine interest in what lights her up. Compliment her passions and you're saying, "I admire what makes you you." If she's dedicated to her work or hobbies, say, "I love how passionate you are about this. It's inspiring to see how much it means to you." Notice her excitement? Say, "Your eyes light up when you talk about this. It's amazing to see your passion." If she's chasing big dreams, encourage her with, "I admire your courage in going after your dreams. It's so inspiring." Why does this matter? Compliments like these show that you care about what moves her heart. They also pave the way for deeper conversations, creating a connection that's authentic and meaningful. 5. Celebrate her achievements. Whether it's a small win or a big milestone, recognizing her achievements is one of the most powerful compliments you can give. Acknowledge her effort with, "The dedication you've put into this is inspiring. It's not just the results, but the journey that's amazing." Encourage her progress by saying, "I see how much you've grown. It's incredible to watch your dedication pay off." Celebrate even the small victories. "Congrats on this achievement. Every step forward is worth celebrating." Why is this important? Recognizing her wins, big or small, makes her feel valued and supported. It shows that you're invested in her success, which builds trust and strengthens your connection. Pro tip: use surprise compliments. Here's a trick to leave a lasting impression. Surprise her with compliments when she least expects them. During a casual moment, say, "You have such a unique way of making everything feel more interesting. I love that about you." Send her a text out of the blue, "Hey, I just wanted to say you're amazing, that's all." These little surprises feel genuine and spontaneous, making them even more impactful. Compliments aren't just words, they're powerful tools to create emotional connections. The key is sincerity. When you notice the details, value her personality, and celebrate her passions and achievements, you're not just making her feel special, you're building a meaningful bond. If you found this helpful, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share your favorite compliment in the comments. Your support helps us create even better content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.